another one of our channels. I'm going to be doing makeup, my hair and my makeup. So first we're going to start with the green tea tree
oil moisturizer.
Right there.
And so I'm rubbing it around my face.
And
trying to get it all
as you can
around.
see, my hair is not done, so okay. So please like and subscribe. And there's more to the channel that you will know.
I'm going to be putting on foundation.
Foundation, okay.
Put it all over my face. Gets everywhere.
And you would.
Okay, I'm gonna brush it and make sure it gets all over my face.
I did this one with my nieces. They were doing my makeup, so go check that one
out. Check that video out.
Ding the bell for more notifications.
Alright, so I'm still brushing it around my face, making sure I get every area. So that's what you're gonna want to do.
Anything you put your mind to it, you could do it.
So I'm brushing still. I'm still brushing.
Next,
okay,
it's my escalator. And I'm gonna put it all over my face
so it can get everywhere.
I look like I was from what's that? From Black Panther.
Wakanda forever.
Yeah, Wakanda forever.
And now I got a brush and I'm brushing it in now.
I'm blending it
in my skin right now.
I look funny, don't I?
I look like I just got 10 million scratches on me.
Don't I look cute, Uncle? I know my hair ain't done, but Uncle.
Y'all gonna see what my hair gonna look like.
I'm rubbing it in.
Don't forget to check this family blog.
Make sure you get over your eyebrows, your nose, under your eyes. Make sure you get that.
If you want to be a makeup artist, all you gotta do is watch our channel.
Yes.
And you could go create your own YouTube channel.
So I'm still blending it. Make sure I get it everywhere.
Practice before you start.
Okay.
All right, next.
We're putting on the dark escalator.
I'm getting it all around my face.
Okay, I'm putting it on my cheeks to make it look highlighted.
Make sure you get the escalator the same as your face, so it blends in.
That is not your face.
Okay. The chin. Okay.
Put it by my nose.
You guys, I look dead. Cause you see my face, I'm not even happy.
Now I'm blending it in so I can turn darker.
To make the contour. Okay.
Blending it in my skin.
I don't even look happy, you guys. Just know that. Be happy all day.
So I'm blending
it.
Okay, I'm blending it in. Make sure I get by my nose and every area. Nose. Okay, now I'm doing my eyebrows. So I'm brushing them up, making them thinner or thicker.
Don't mess up.
Okay, so now I'm going to
and my nieces, they had did some bloopers. Go check it out.
So I'm going to be making my eyebrows a little highlighted. So I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows.
Be careful not to make
Alright.
Not to get it around your eyebrows.
Don't mess up.
I'm sorry.
We're taking this step by step, right?
Okay, so now I'm going to make sure that it looks realistic
and thin,
so it can be thicker than my old eyebrows.
Okay, so I'm brushing it, making sure I
go
get
check out my
everywhere.
first video.
So now I'm gonna keep on brushing it to make it look more detailed and and I'm making them. I'm brushing them up.
And more bigger. I look like I'm just a madman right now.
So
okay, so now I'm gonna be brushing my eyebrows, making sure
Like and
they pop.
subscribe.
Okay, guys?
I look
So-
like I'm so mad at somebody that I just wanna make my eyebrows more thick.
Okay,
So we keep on doing this. We're gonna keep on doing this until the video changes.
So, yeah.
So yeah,
So-
make my eyebrows look like it's good.
Okay, so I'm putting on something.
Eyebrow lash.
Okay, I'm gonna put on powder
Powder.
now.
Powder.
Okay,
Get it
so I'm-
owed
I'm
under
get-
my eyes.
Make sure you don't mess it up.
Okay,
Or
putting
it's
it
gonna
under my
be
eyes,
bad.
making sure that it pops. Okay, guys.
Like
Okay, putting it under my mouth. Well, under my nose.
On my
Don't
chin.
look like
my
me in the
On my
morning.
chin.
Okay, putting it on my forehead and on my nose. So,
And now we're putting it on our chin. Our cheeks, I mean.
I'm putting it on my cheek now.
you can start your own very own YouTube channel.
Just keep on watching and you'll see what we're doing.
Please
next.
subscribe.
Hit
It
that
would make
thumbs
my day.
up.
It would make
Okay,
my
guys.
day, mate.
Yes.
Anyway,
And I could speak British. Hamburgers, okay? Please eat some hamburgers, okay? Yes, yes. Sponsor me, McDonald's. I'll eat all the hamburgers
Hamburgers?
in the world. So anyways, let's get back to the video. So yes, I am I'm putting it on my
confidence. I got that confidence.
I'm putting it under my nose, on my forehead.
And now
Now I'm gonna
we're
be doing my eyelid.
I basically don't know what to say right here.
Okay, so I'm putting the powder on my actually
I'm putting
yeah,
stuff on my eyes.
I'm putting the eyeshadow
Eye.
on my eyelid.
My face look
It's
white.
not eyeshadow.
I'm putting powder on my eye.
My face look white.
Oh my god, I might turn white after this.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we're putting on some
Eyeshadow.
eyebrow something.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
It's not.
As you can see, I know what I'm doing, you guys.
Okay.
Oh, so we're gonna brush the
Brush it
eyebrows,
all
I'm putting it all over my eyelid.
eyelids.
Okay, putting on the next eyelid. So making sure I get it everywhere on my eyelid.
I look
So-
beautiful after this, guys. Everybody will be one day date me. Oh my god.
Sorry, but I'm taking.
Okay, making sure I get some darker colors to make sure these other colors pop and match my face. Okay, putting some more.
You could do it. You can even do a foot channel,
Yes.
a family channel, anything you put your mind to.
Okay, so I'm still putting on the eyeshadow.
Make sure to show up, work hard, and listen. So we're gonna be putting this on forever until the video changes again. Okay.
Okay, so I'm brushing it so that
So-
it get all over my eyelid and it can blend with the other colors.
If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and ding that notification bell.
And write in the comments what you think.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to be highlighting my eyes. Okay, guys?
Eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes.
Now I'm
So, if you didn't know, I am trying to do a good
Sorry
look
for the background.
to make it a
background
pop.
noise.
Just so I'm doing a pop.
I'm trying to make it
theme.
pop.
Yeah.
Pop, pop.
Okay, so I'm brushing my cheekbones, making sure it blends in, making sure if I didn't get any other uncolored spots, I will blend them in now.
I don't know when this is gonna be finished, guys.
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry for the backnut. Loud noise.
So now I am still putting the makeup on, blending it in with the other colors. So we're gonna be blending it. Okay, guys.
In the comment section, please ask questions.
How?
Subscribe, please.
Right in the
Okay, now I'm gonna
comments.
be putting on the setting spray. Yeah, it looks like I just got drizzled in rain, but you know
Yeah,
guys.
and like I just got dipped in a pool, like I didn't just dry my face.
Alright, so I'm bending it to let it dry. Now I'm gonna put on the mascara.
Make my eyelashes look thick and make it pop. Oh yes.
Pop. We're just gonna let it pop.
Oh.
Okay, putting it on my bottom.
Sorry for the background noise.
Okay, so I'm still putting on my mascara. Okay, guys. It's taking awfully long. I'm sorry for the wait, but you know, makeup don't get ready overnight, you know. So I'm putting it on my eyelashes, making sure they pop. So now I'm putting on eyelash glue. So I'm gonna put on eyelash glue. So
It
next,
looks like I'm turning old.
I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes next.
Yes, I'm Kurt. Yes.
So now, okay, so what I'm gonna do is put the eyelash glue on the other eye. Okay,
I'm
okay,
Kurt. Ooh, my eyes look popping.
okay, I'm gonna put eyelash glue, still blushing, and
Don't forget to
making sure
check
they
the
blend in.
videos.
Okay, guys, so I'm just going to be still blending in my makeup. Okay, I'm now
I'm
gonna
gonna put-
highlight my lips to make them pop. So, okay.
Okay.
My lips are getting so dark right now. Looks like this is so much.
Okay.
now I'm
we're
gonna
be
put on
putting
the
Eyelashes.
Okay, guys.
If you put them wrong, it might take off your eyelashes. Your real ones. Okay?
You'll
If
be
you mess them
crying to death.
Okay, so my eyelash was a little crooked. It's alright. I fixed those. Okay, now I'm putting on the other eyelash. Okay, making sure they go right.
Make
And-
sure you get the right earrings too.
Okay, making sure I fix them to make sure they're complete. That's alright. Look, and there goes my eyelashes. I'm still fixing them though because they're a little crooked. So. Hey,
You might
guys.
find me on
Fixing
other apps, so I'd rather you follow.
Okay, so I finished putting
And
on the
comment.
eyelash. And now I'm
Time
gonna
to do my hair. The best part of the video.
Okay. You can see me in the back.
Okay, yeah,
waving
so my
hair.
hair is in rollers right now. I'm
So
gonna take them out.
As you see, we're making it curl.
I'm taking them out now. See? Now they kind of look cute, you see? Okay. I have them in braids, so I'm gonna take those out though. So,
Don't want to look pretty. Hey.
alright, so the little curl there is so gorgeous. I'm just gonna keep on braiding until my full hair is
Yeah,
done.
and I'm going to brush it after. When I take it out, I'm
To
gonna
make
brush
it look glossy.
As you can see, it's curly.
Okay, so I'm still braiding the hair. So the whole point was to make the hair curly enough just for it to
be
have
brushed.
the style. So now it's unbraided and here's the finishing touch. Okay, guys.
Now we're
Okay,
Now we're going to
brushing
brush
it.
it.
out. Oh, now
Brush
we're gonna
it.
brush it out.
As you can see, it's very
Comment down below to see what was your favorite part of the video.
Makeup or hair?
Okay, so I'm brushing it. I'm brushing it still.
Okay, gonna flat it. You're gonna flat it. We're gonna flat it. We're gonna background noise.
Now I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put on this so that
Some
way
white cream
it
on
can
my
make
hair.
my hair shine.
Yeah. And it's gonna look real.
Make it really glossy so everybody can see my
Know
hair,
what
what
it
it
is.
looks like.
I look like Kim Kardashian, but the better version, you know. Look, okay, guys.
Don't
So-
tell her. Don't tell her, okay?
Here's the finishing product, guys.
So, bye. Okay.
Please like and subscribe if you want
Subscribe.
more content like this. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.